Lesson plan for fractions chapter class 2. Time is 35 minutes to 40 minutes. And teaching method is storytelling, activity, group discussion, lecture method. Teaching aids are chapati or fruits, whether you are convenient. General objective means on teaching of fractions chapter in mathematics, what the child can understand and apply in his daily life. Child can have knowledge about fractions, differentiate between numbers and fractions, and can make different fractions and differentiate fractions, make group into equal parts. And specific objectives means in your textbook, whatever they prescribe to teach you, those are comes under specific objectives. Example for class 2, definition of fractions and how to write half and 1/3, 1/4, representation of fractions and terms related to it, and also making into the fractional part coloring. These are the specific objectives for class 2. And previous knowledge, what the child has previous knowledge to have fraction chapter, simple counting numbers, multiplication and simple divisions. Introduction, we all very well know about the one story, that is one monkey and two cats. Two cats are having one chapati, how to make into the sharing into equal. So we know that monkey came and make into the two pieces, one is smaller, another one is bigger. To make it equal, remaining part has eaten. Like this continuing, the whole chapati has eaten by the monkey. By telling or asking child to recall the story and giving one chapati to one child, can you, if you are monkey place, if you want to share this chapati to equal to your friends, how can you make it at a time? So the child try to make it holding and make it half pieces and give each child to half of it. Then teacher is asking how many chapati each child got. One and one. How many chapatis I have given to you? Only one. Then how did you give one to the each child? then how did you distribute one chapati to two children and each got one? I shared one chapati equally to two children, so each one got one. Child, I have given only one. Then how did they get? No, they have got only half. How to write that half chapati? Can you write a number? No, miss. Dear children, today we are going to learn about a part of whole is called fractions, then half. That fractions, how to write it, representing the fractions, we are going to learn today. So today our topic is fractions. So objectives, fractions definition. By taking one chapati, making two half and showing to the children half this chapati, one chapati, I made it equally half. So how to write that half? Half as, write it as a total. How many number of equal parts are there? Two parts. The two parts we have to write it down. And how much part I have given to your friend? One part. So that one part we should write up. So this up number is called numerator, down number is called denominator. Numerator and denominator. So 1/2. This is read it as 1. This line is by, and this is the 2. 1/2. This is also read it as half. This is also read it as half. How to write a fraction? How to write a fraction? How many one chapati? How many equal parts we have done two equal parts. So the whole part is how many equal parts we have made it, that write it down, and how much part we have given to our friend or colored, we have to write it up in the numerator. So this is the half. this is the half. Next we are going to learn about 1/3. How to write that 1/3? By giving one chapati to one child and ask them share this one chapati equally to his three of his friends. How can he make? Let us see that one. He tried to make it three equal parts, but those are not equally shared. So try to take chapati in your hand as a teacher and make into three equal parts and explain to the child how many equal parts are there totally. 1 2 3. That 3 we have to write it in the denominator. The whole is divided into three equal parts, so that we have to write in the denominator. And each child got one piece, so 1/3. So each child got as a 1/3 chapati, 1/3 of chapati. This read it as 1/3, 1/3. So similarly asking the child 1/4 giving one chapati to make distribute into 4 equal parts. How to write 1/4 part? So totally how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. How many equal parts? 4 equal parts. So that 4 equal parts, first child got one part of the chapati, so 1/4. Second child got 1/4. Third, fourth child got 1/4, 1/4. So this is the introduction of the fractions half, 1/3 and 1/4. Terminology: numerator, denominator, and by fraction 1/3, 1/4, half. Now coloring the fractions. Children, can you make it the color of half of this figure? Yes ma'am, this is easy. Children, if I give you number of flowers or number of balls, objectives, then how can you make it half of it or 1/3 it or 1/4 of it? So let us see now how can we make it that half of the part color it, 1/3 color it, 1/4 color it. So first thing, we can easily know that 1 2 3 4 are there, so we can color it as the half means 2, we can half it, color it. Then if I ask you 1/3, can you make it? 1/3 3 flowers. Is it correct? No. It has one method is there. How to make it? Let us see that. So first let us start with the 4 flowers. 1 2 3 4 flowers. This how much we have to color it? Half of we should color it. So to make it color, first divide it into half of it, no? So we have to make it color it half of it. So total number of flowers, 4 flowers are there. How much we should color it? Half of it. So that means these 4 flowers we have to make into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. So how to make it that? 4 divided by total number divided by 2 equal parts we have to make it. 2 equal parts we have to make it. So divide with the 2. So this 4 flowers we have to make it. Each group should have 2 flowers. Each should have 2 flowers. So 1 2 3 4. I have made it 2 groups. Each one how many should have? 2. So I colored it 2 flowers. So this is the way of doing. Now can we learn about 1/3 coloring? Yeah, by giving worksheet to the children or ask or explain how to make groups into 1/3, 1/4 part of coloring. So I have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 balloons are there. 6 balloons I have to color 1/3. 1/3 means 6 balloons I have to make 3 equal parts. So 6 divided by 3 equal parts. Total number divided by number of equal parts. If I do that one, what I will get? 2. Division, if you do that, 2. So each group how many it should have? 2. Each group it has 2. So dividing into 2 groups. So each group has a 2 balloons. So how much part I have to color? One color. Numerator, whatever the number is there, that we should color it. So like this we can complete it. So coloring 1/4 part means similarly in the above part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there, and how many equal parts we have to make? 4 equal parts. Each part how many it will have? Don't know. So do division 2. So each equal part how many are there? 2 are there. So how much I should color? 1 I should color. So I colored it. So like this we can reduce the 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and making the coloring grouping also. Recapitulation to children, today what we have learned? We have learned fractions definition. What is a fraction? A part of whole is called fraction. How to represent half? Number of equal parts is in the denominator, and how much we have given or colored we should write in the numerator. So homework is worksheet is given. Thank you.